Hi there, in this screencast I'm going to show you how to handle the backspace button in your calculator. So I'm going to make the backspace event handler here, and the way the backspace button works is that I replace what's already in the text property of the calculator's display with what's called a substring of the string that's already there. And the substring means a portion of the characters that are in a string, not all of them, just a portion of them. So I'm going to make a substring out of what's already there of every character except for the very last character. So I'm going to say lblcalc.text equals lblcalc.text.substring and then 0 and lblcalc.text.length -1. Okay, and what that does is it creates a well, let's see, what is my problem here? Oh, hang on. Oh, and I don't need parentheses. And I think that should do it. Let's try it now. 989 and then backspace. Yes, that does work. So just to repeat, no parentheses. In the Java language there are parentheses. Here I'm not going to put any parentheses after the length. So now, if you keep pressing this, and eventually once you get down to nothing, it's trying to make kind of the same thing that happens when you press an operator too many times, except in this case it's going to try to create a substring of one fewer character than what is already there. So if there are no characters in the string, you can't make a string that has -1 characters, so the program's going to crash. So what you do is you do the exact same thing that you did for the operator buttons. You enclose that line of code in an if statement. So you're going to say if lblcalc.text is not equal to nothing. So in other words, as long as there's something there, then I'm going to go ahead and let me stop debugging here. I'm going to go ahead and make the substring. Otherwise, I won't do anything at all. So let's see if this works now. So I'm going to enter a number. Oops. Let me go back to it. Where was I? And then eventually, yes, worked perfectly.